AMD TradingView free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Assuming you want to check the price of the AMD ticker symbol, click the search bar of tradingview.com and type in AMD, 3 words or 3 letters. And then under all, or you can click and highlight stocks, you want to go to the first option, Advanced Micro Devices INC, and click NASDAQ or click Launch Chart. If you want to see the overview of AMD, what you can do is go to the top right hand screen, click the first option, Watch List, Details, and News. Now, if you scroll down, you can currently see here AMD. The current price is $93.40. This is how much it's been up. The market is closed. You can check the volume, the liquidity, the dividends, etc. Now, if you click back, if you click now the chart and you move, you can now see the current and previous prices of AMD on TradingView. You can even click here, it scrolls in and it scrolls out if you scroll down. And bonus tip, go to the top left hand screen, click next to the plus icon. Right now, if we scroll down, we're on the 1 month time frame. If you want to go to the 1 year or the 12-month time frame, this is what the 1 year or 12-month time frame for AMD looks like. We're currently in an uptrend completely for free.